Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to our beautiful followers and awesome students and audience. Our discussion today is about using the word Allah or using the word God. Of course, Muslims know that the best name to call upon Allah by is the name that He called Himself. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He chose to call Himself by this name in the Quran about 2,700 times in the Quran. So many examples, you could go on and on. Allahu la ilaha illahu, Kul huwa Allahu ahad, innani ana Allah, and on and on and on. So of course, the preferable name to call Allah is what He chose for Himself, of course. Our topic today is using the word God for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now the scholars did give some situations where you could use translations of the word Allah, which means, it's basically one relating to the one, the creator of the heavens and the earth, the one that deserves to be worshipped, one relating to Allah Himself. Now, these fatwa go back to the classical scholars, including Ibn Taymiyyah, rahmahullah ta'ala, and modern scholars also. Modern scholars, with regards to the word God, they say you can use this for non-Muslims, as long as you explain to them that what we mean with God is the true God, the God of Ibrahim alayhi salam and Muhammad sallallahu alayhi salam, and the God of Isa alayhi salam, and the creator of the heaven and the earth, as long as you make that clear to them. The word God actually goes back in history to polytheistic religions, okay? And then, of course, later on became the main word in the Christian religion. So let's take a look of where does the word God comes from.
The word God originates from the Proto-Germanic gudan, derived from the Proto-Indo-European root gut, meaning that which is invoked or sacrificed to. Its early usage was in a polytheistic context, as Germanic and Indo-European cultures worshipped multiple deities. The term became associated with monotheism later through the spread of Christianity, which adopted local words to refer to the singular deity. Thus, the word's origin is polytheistic, but its modern monotheistic meaning developed over time due to cultural and religious shifts.
Okay. Of course, this is the source of this. This was ChatGPT. Of course, when we talk about monotheistic religions, Christianity is not one of the monotheistic religions. They do worship other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They worship Isa alayhi salam. That's for a different time, inshallah. But as you could see here, that word Guden goes back to polytheistic religions, and later on became, used for the word of the deity, the singular deity, the one, only one that deserves to be worshipped. So the issue arises, can we use the word God? We already mentioned that scholars of the past allowed to use translations, close translations of the word Allah, or words that refer to the Lord of the heavens and the earth, the creator of mankind, in words that are used in their language. Okay? So our conclusion and message to all of us is that we should get used to using the word Allah, the name that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chose for Himself. And we recognize the situations where we can use the word God. But even for the new Muslims, get them used to using the word Allah, the word that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves to be called by, and may Allah call you by the names that you love to be called by on the Day of Judgment.